Ona bahar basi.
Well, I didn't really have a
Speed, time.
Yes.
Time.
Don't reduce time.
No, come and take your certificate.
We thank each and everybody for being patient. I also thank God for giving us the good weather. May you allow me. You win responsibly and you also lose responsibly. In Mbale district we have 18 schools and we managed to receive around 6 of them. Other schools, as usual, they say that they are busy with academics, but when the results come, it is always this 6 which always appear on the front page. We beat them academically and we also beat them in sports. Can we appreciate ourselves for that? So nobody should lie you that you can perform well in academics when you don't perform well in what? In sports. Those two move together. You are supposed to grow holistically, both in academics and in co-curricular activities. Now at this time, let me declare the results. I will begin by declaring those of Namawanga. They got the total of 83. Then we have Musese SS, they had the total of 117. Now Maria SS had the total of 118. 181. UCSS had the 195. Now Mali High School had the total of 256. And then Nyondo SS had the total of 332. According to this, we have Namawanga number 6, Musese number 5, now Mali SS number 4, UCSS number 3. Now, Mali High School number 2 and the Nyondo SS the champion for this year.
A certificate of participation provided by Nambari High School, Nambari High School, Gusii Secondary School, Gusii Secondary School. Thank you. Then Nambari SS School. You receive then Musese SS. They receive a certificate. Then finally, the British School again comes, Namawanga Senior Secondary School. Schools Namawanga is number 6.